I think this is one of the reason, I think the main reason why we have to learn from India. That's why we do appreciate on the initiative of Indian government to provide us the scholarships for ITEC, so we can learn from India. On the palm oil, we export directly to India once in Chalang port. So because of also the shallow port, and also the port cannot accommodate larger vessels, so they stopped exporting from Chalang, and I think they started to export in Medan. And also Azwar, Ibu, Mubaya, also they have a very good port, and you know the Sabah port, and also can be alternative port to export to India from Aceh.